Hi there, welcome back to JD Answers. Today I'll be unboxing the Vemico 3-pack GoPro Hero batteries. The batteries are compatible with the GoPro Hero 9, 10, 11, and 12 black accent cameras. First I'll go over the boxing and then the specifications. Alright, and the first thing we see is the warranty card, and it has it in different languages. And there's also some QR codes in the back if you want to connect to them with the Facebook. Then you're going to have 3 battery packs, and they're each in a plastic container. There you go, a pull tab to take the batteries out. Here's the terminals there. And there you go. All right, and you actually get 3 batteries. Another one. And lastly, the last one as well. Then you have the Type-C cord, and this is a Type-C cord on one end, and the other end is a Type-A. And this is where you could charge the battery packs. And last is the battery charger itself. Let's take that off. All right, here we go. There's indicator lights to help you know like which one's charged and if they've been charged already. And in the back, just some more information about the charger itself. On the bottom, you're going to have the Type-C port. And let's open this up. And here you go. All right, if you open it up, you can see it inside, how it looks. Terminals in the bottom, the enclosure top here. All right, let's go ahead and put the batteries in there. All right, we got the case. Drop one battery in there. Second one. And the third one. I'm going to close it. And now we could do is connect the charger. All right, I got the Type-A USB cable at the end. And I'm going to pull one of my old cell phone chargers and plug it in there. And that way I could plug it into the outlet that I need to. And this is the Type-C USB that goes to the actual charging case. All right, going to go ahead and plug that in. Then I'm going to plug this in the bottom. And we're going to see the cables that come in. I'm going to turn on my surge protector now. And now you can see the lights that are on. They're all red. All right, the first indicator lights is to let you know that the device is on. The other 3 indicator lights is to let you know that the device is charging. Once it's done charging, the 3 indicators on the right will turn green. Now, in case you don't have an extra adapter, if you have a charging station or a power protector that has the Type-C's already on there or the Type-A on there, you could go ahead and use that to plug that in your charging station, and again it will turn on right here. So you really don't need this. It's just if you have any extras, it's good to have. The 5-volt 2.3 battery pack can charge 3 batteries simultaneously. Each of the batteries can be charged up to 1800 milliamps. The charger takes about an hour and a half to fully charge the batteries. This means less waiting time and more time for your next adventure. The charger has 4 indicating lights. The first one is for the power status, and the remaining 3 indicator lights are for the charging status. When the lights are red, this is indicating that the batteries are charging. When the lights are green, this is indicating that the batteries are fully charged. The batteries for the GoPro Hero can operate in frigid temperatures as low as -10 degrees. It maintains its battery life without any reduction. The replacement batteries are stable and long-lasting power supply, especially when recording a stunning 5.3K resolution. Whether you are engaging in extreme sports, embarking on a travel adventure, or pursuing creative filming, The batteries are designed to meet the high performance recording. The new style charger is convenient and portable. It doesn't take much room from your camera bag, laptop bag, backpack, or pocket. The charging case has overcharge protection, overheat protection, short circuit protection, and surge protection. The charging cable comes with a Type-C cable, and the other end is a Type-A USB connection. The charging cable can be connected to a wall socket with an AC adapter, car power socket, power bank, or computer. What did you think? Was this video helpful for you? If it was, give me that thumbs up. I appreciate that from you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and select all notifications for all upcoming videos. If you are interested in any of these products, I'll list links in the description down below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe!